Hey guys, and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk something about Vibrance in Photoshop. I've just downloaded this image from Unsplash. Even you need to open your browser and just download it real quick. Just click the download button. So I'll open up my Photoshop and click on open. This video is pretty straightforward and I'll click open. Wait, yeah. So this image has been opened up now. Just press Ctrl O. Now let's get back to the adjustments menu. If it's not open, just click on window and adjustments. It should open up. Now here is here is Vibrance. Okay, just unlock the layer and here is Vibrance. So let me show you what it does. It's pretty basic. So let me crank up the Vibrance. You can take a look at it here, right? The colors are popping up. The reddish color is popping up from his pant. And increase the saturations. You take a look at the skin tone. Well, this is it what Vibrance does. This is what Vibrance does. Nothing much. It's like a filter in Photoshop. You can take a look at the wall behind the shoe and it's turning into a yellowish or a goldish color. Yeah, this is what Vibrance does. You can turn it to black and white image, or you can crank up the saturation. Yeah, this is good. You can take a look at it here. Just click the eyeball button. Yeah, this is much better, right? This is much better. Yeah, double click this again, the properties menu will open up. Yeah, wait, let me reduce the saturation a bit. Yeah, this is good. So just select a image from Unsplash and just download it and crank up and play with the vibration and the adjustments panel here. Okay, this is it for the video. It's pretty basic. So thank you for watching it.